Crispy, spicy honey chipotle chicken wings from start to finish. I'm Tess, and you don't want to miss this one. Stay tuned. For chicken wings, it's all about the sauce, and today I'm making honey chipotle wings. This sauce hits all the notes of a nice heat, sweet, salty, tangy, with a great chipotle flavor. They are lip-smacking and finger-licking good. In my pan on medium heat, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, giving that a good stir. This is a 1/4 cup of chili sauce, and it'll add a lot of flavor and tang. I'm using Chipotle and Adobo sauce, and you can make this the amount of heat that you like. I'm using 4 nice-sized peppers and some sauce, giving that a stir and bringing up to a simmer. For a little more volume, I'm adding in 3/4 of a cup of ketchup. I'm making 5 pounds of wings, and this made enough sauce to give a nice coating. Bringing this up to a light simmer and letting it cook for a couple minutes and then turning off the heat. You can use a hand blender or put the sauce into a bullet blender to make smooth. I'm returning the sauce to the pan on medium heat. I also used about a 1/4 cup of water to rinse out the pitcher. You don't want to waste any of that delicious sauce. A pinch of salt and black pepper, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now for the honey. I'm starting with about a 1/4 cup and then I will taste. You want to add a little at a time to balance out the heat and sweet to your liking. I did end up adding a couple more tablespoons of honey, and that was good for us. Giving that a good stir and cooking for a minute and then removing from the heat. This delicious honey chipotle barbecue sauce can be stored in a lidded container in the refrigerator. Trust me, it is really good. And now the wings. I have 5 pounds of wings in my bowl, and I'm pouring over about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, giving them a good toss to get coated. You can use a salt or a salt seasoning, and tonight I'm using about 1 to 2 teaspoons of this adobo, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 2 teaspoons of paprika for color. I'm not going crazy with the spices because all the flavor is going to be in the sauce. This is 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I'm just mixing that in so the chicken will get a little extra crispy in the oven. Placing the wings on a wire rack so they cook evenly. The wings are going into a 425-degree oven for 40 minutes, and I will give them a turn about halfway through. Remove the wings and give them one more flip, a little spray with oil on the top, and bake 10 more minutes. The wings are done, and I have a whole crew behind me wanting some. Placing the wings in a bowl and pouring over that yummy honey chipotle sauce. Now you can be fancy and flip the wings in the bowl, or you can give them a gentle toss with a spoon. These honey chipotle wings turned out so good. A little messy, but well worth it. That sauce has great flavor and balance. Serving tonight with a ranch dipping sauce, garnishing with some chopped green onions, and an accent of avocados and mangoes. That's Din Din, and I hope you give my honey chipotle wing recipe a try, and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.